Welcome to this tutorial on WorldPay merchant accounts. A WorldPay merchant account is a type of payment processing account that enables businesses to accept credit and debit card payments from customers. In this guide, we will cover the key concepts and best practices for using a WorldPay merchant account. Firstly, let's define what a merchant account is. A merchant account is a type of bank account that allows businesses to process credit and debit card transactions. It is a requirement for any business that wants to accept card payments. WorldPay is a leading payment processing company that provides merchant accounts to businesses of all sizes. To get a WorldPay merchant account, you will need to apply through the WorldPay website or through a registered partner. The application process typically involves providing business and financial information, such as your business name, address, and bank account details. You will also need to provide identification and proof of business ownership. Once your application is approved, you will be able to accept credit and debit card payments from your customers. WorldPay merchant accounts support a range of payment methods, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. You can also use your WorldPay merchant account to process payments online, in-store, or over the phone. One of the key benefits of a WorldPay merchant account is its flexibility. You can use it to process payments in multiple currencies, and you can also use it to process recurring payments and subscriptions. WorldPay also provides a range of tools and services to help you manage your payments, including online reporting and transaction management. In terms of fees, WorldPay merchant accounts typically charge a transaction fee and a monthly fee. The transaction fee is a percentage of the transaction amount, and the monthly fee is a fixed amount that you pay each month. The fees vary depending on the type of merchant account you have and the volume of transactions you process. To get the most out of your WorldPay merchant account, it's essential to follow best practices. This includes providing clear and transparent pricing information to your customers, and ensuring that you comply with all relevant payment card industry regulations. You should also regularly review your transaction reports to ensure that you are not missing any payments or experiencing any errors. In conclusion, a WorldPay merchant account is a powerful tool for businesses that want to accept credit and debit card payments. By understanding how it works and following best practices, you can use your WorldPay merchant account to increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and grow your business. Whether you are a small online retailer or a large multinational corporation, a WorldPay merchant account can help you to process payments efficiently and securely.